This is a frog holding a champagne glass, so I guess you could call it a champagne drinking frog. Although it could be anything in that cup as far as, you know, a beverage of whatever. It's a frog. Could be water. It's by Beau Smith. And there he is. I purposely made one eye smaller than the other. It actually adds a surreal effect to this frog, and they're partly surreal. That's probably the quality of them. Stainless steel, bronze, and copper. Stainless steel, bronze, and copper. All by hand. This is a hand that's made by hand. This hand is made by hand. I may use that later. This hand is made by hand. Okay. There's another hand made by hand. And I sanded the little fingers to make them a little bit shinier. Here are the eyes. There he is. I'm 55 years old. I've been doing this. I've been